Hi everyone. Today we have a special lesson. Today I want to teach you how to do a simple descriptive paragraph and use that crazy thing that your teacher gives you called a mind map. Trust me, it's not hard. Let's get started because I'm ready. Oh, but remember, grab a piece of paper and a pencil so you can write down all of the information and maybe start an essay with me. Or paragraph. Yeah, paragraph. That's what it was. It was a paragraph. Woo, we're going to have a fun lesson today, I think. So, the first thing we have to do when we're going to do a descriptive paragraph is think of our topic. What are we going to write about? Sometimes your teacher will give you the topic, and other times they say, choose one. Well, that's the problem I had just now when I was thinking, what do I write about? And I was looking through the internet, and I found a picture of a kitten. And I said, ooh, can I find a video of a kitten? And I did. I found a video of a kitten. So that's something we can look at in this lesson. But I chose the simple topic of a kitten. You have to choose your topic. And once you have your topic, you can get ready to write your very first sentence. So what is our first sentence? Well, a lot of these very first descriptive paragraph examples that you'll do in class, the teacher will give you one. It'll be in the book. It'll say something like, I will write a paragraph to describe, right, this thing, this topic. Well, we've already chosen our topic. Well, I chose mine. I don't know what you're going to do, but you can do the same thing I did and pick a random topic. Ours is a kitten. Well, mine's a kitten. Stop saying ours. I don't know why I keep saying ours. My topic is a kitten. So my first sentence will be, I will write a paragraph to describe a kitten. Okay, that was the easy part. Choosing the topic is actually the easy part. Most of the time, it's this mind map that confuses students. I hated it when I was a kid. I really did. That's not how I think. It's not how I organize my thoughts, but teachers don't care, so I'm going to show you how to do one. First, let's look at our mind map right here. I've got this empty mind map with lots of empty boxes. Now, in the center, the first thing you have to do is put your topic. Well, mine, I said mine, is a kitten. So I just write kitten. You write your topic. Now I have all these empty boxes. I have to think about something about my kitten, right? Something about my topic. Well, what is a descriptive essay? Descriptive means to describe something, right? I don't just say, oh, what is it? It's a kitten. I say, oh, it's something. Like, look at this. A camera, right? It's a camera. I have to describe it. Well, there's all kinds of things I can say about it. It's heavy. It's black. You see what I'm doing here? I'm describing the camera. I'm saying, oh, what is it about? What's unique? What's interesting? How can I tell someone about this thing? Well, I have to do that for my topic, which is a kitten. So now let's think about it. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of a kitten? It's cute. Boop. It's cute, right? It's a cute little animal thing. That's the very first thing everyone would say in class. Hey, what do you say about this kitten? It's cute, teacher. Yeah, that's the first answer. Now we have to keep going. What else do we say? Well, kittens aren't big. They're small. So, boop, we write down small, right? We want all these things about our topic to go in these boxes. Okay, so our kitten is cute. It's small. What else? Well, I like to pet them. They're soft. Yes, kittens are soft. Okay, we've got soft. Now, what else? A kitten. There's something interesting about a kitten. Is it a cat? Well, yeah, it's a cat, but what kind of cat? It's a baby cat. It's a young cat. Kittens are young, right? They're not quite babies. They're playing around and doing stuff. They're young. Okay. So we got young up in our mind map. All right, we have cute, small, soft, and young. How else can we describe a kitten? Well, what is a kitten? What is anything like that? What is a dog? What is a zebra? It's an animal. Okay, cool. A kitten is an animal. Boop, we've got animal. All right, all right. We're getting more information about this kitten. Let's keep going. What else can we say about a kitten? Well, if I had a giraffe, it's an animal, yes, but can I keep it at my house? No. I could if I was super rich and lived in Africa, and I can't have it, right? But a kitten or a dog, I can have at my house. They are what? They're pets, right? So a kitten is a pet. We've got pet. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're starting to describe this more. We're filling in those boxes that are empty, the ones that are difficult. We think, oh, this is hard to do, right? But it's not. Let's keep going. What else? Well, if I'm looking at a kitten, well, it's soft, it's cute, it's an animal, it's a pet, but what does it have, right? We have to describe physical things about this topic. A kitten has 4 legs. Yeah, it's got 4 legs, so let's write it down. Okay, we've got 4 legs, but what else does a kitten have? A tail, a long tail, right? Yeah, our kitten has 4 legs and a long tail, so we write that down too. Boop, right? We've got so many now. Now we're like, oh, I've got to think of some other stuff here, but I'm running out of space. See? Really wasn't too hard. Let's think about this. What else can we say about a kitten? Well, just look at the video here. What do you see the kittens doing? There's 2 kittens in the video, yes, but what are they doing? They're playing, right? Which means a kitten is playful. Yeah, we can say that a kitten is playful. Put it up there on our mind map. Okay, we need one more. We need one more thing. What have we forgotten to say about a kitten? Well, we kind of talked about it. We said it was soft, right? What's soft? What about a kitten is soft? Fur. Teacher has fur. No, kittens have fur, right? Animals have fur. So we write that down. Okay, cool. We write it in our mind map. Boop. I forgot to say boop. We've got all of our mind map filled out. I hate this part. This is actually the hardest part about writing. But once you finish a mind map, I'll admit writing the paragraph is super easy. Now it just becomes like a fill in the blank, right? We've got all of our answers right here in the mind map. But now we just have to put them in a paragraph form. Okay, cool. So now we've got to organize these. But we've got all of our mind map filled out, but that's only part of it. There's more we have to do. We have to organize it because not all of these things go together, do they? Exactly. We have to organize this down. So let's take a look at our mind map again. And we're going to see all of these things. But look at that. I circled 2 things. Pet and animal. Those kind of go together because it's a basic thing. It's not really super specific, right? It's about the kitten, but not exactly about the kitten. It tells what the kitten is. It's an animal that we can have as a pet. Cool. So we circle these things. We know that these things go together. What else goes together? Well, let's look at this one. I've circled 4 things now. Fur, small, long tail, 4 legs. These things describe the physical parts of the animal, right? What is it? What does it have? What does it look like? Cool. See how these are going together? We can put those together in the sentences in a minute. But now you're seeing what I'm doing. So that means the last one is cute, playful, soft, and young. We're describing about what the animal is like. Not what it looks like, not the physical, but how it acts, what it looks like, that kind of stuff. Oh, you're kind of getting it, aren't you? It's starting to make more sense, right? Now we've organized all of this mind map. It's time to write it. We have to write our paragraph. Now, how do we do that? just like we just did, right? We just organized all our stuff, so let's grab our paper and our pencil and start writing this down. Now remember, when we first started this and we chose our topic, you know, the directions in this thing that your teacher would give you would say something like, I will write a paragraph to describe, right? And boop, we put our kitten in there. So our first sentence is, I will write a paragraph to describe a kitten. Now, I know it is a terrible first sentence. I know this is a terrible first sentence. But when you don't know how to do one, it's the simplest thing to write. And that's what we want to do. We want to master the basics. We want to understand how to just simply do the assignment, how to simply make the paragraph. Later, once it's super easy, we start to change things and give it personality, our personality. We give it intelligent sentences. We give it really cool sentences. But first, we just write this simple one. Why? Because you need to learn how to do it, right? Your first sentence can't be amazing, right? Okay, so we take that sentence that the worksheet gave us, and that's our first sentence. Now, let's take a look at the organization I wrote on the right side here. You see that? I took those 3 different colored circles and made it into a simple list. Number 1 is animal and pet. 2 is small, fur, long tail, 4 legs. And then we have cute, playful, young, and soft. All those are our groups, which means those are the pieces we have to add into our paragraph. Cool. Now, if you look here, I've written down on the piece of paper, it says, I will write a paragraph to describe a kitten. That's the first sentence it gave us. But then, look at the second sentence. A kitten is what? Is an animal. It is a pet for many people. We used each of these words in a sentence. Now, you see that I wrote, a kitten is an animal. Okay. But in the second part, I said it. Well, we don't have to keep saying a kitten, a kitten, a kitten. The first sentence says, I will describe what? Okay? I will describe a kitten. But the second sentence is talking specifically about the kitten. So we have to say a kitten. We can't say the kitten, right? Why? Why can't we say the kitten? It's the first time we talk about this topic. Yes, the first sentence said what we will write about. But this sentence, a kitten is the very first sentence about our subject. So we have to say what it is. The next sentence, we know what we're talking about. So we don't have to say a kitten. We can just say it. Throw in a pronoun. Cool. Now, it is a pet for many people. What's next? Well, number 2 is next, right? Let's look at this one. So now, wait, I said a kitten again, right? For each section, I want you to say a kitten, a giraffe, whatever your topic is, a house, okay? For each section. That way it's better to organize for you, okay? It's still right, it's still fine, but it just makes it easier. Now let's look at this. It says, a kitten is small and has 4 legs. Well, I have 4 details, 4 descriptive details about this kitten. Do I want to make 4 separate sentences? I can, but we're smart enough to make compound sentences, right? That's what we want to do. We want to smush them together. 4 things means I can make 2. I didn't know if I could still do that. 2 separate compound sentences. Now, let's look at these. Small and 4 legs go together, kind of, right? Long tail and fur, those seem to go together, so I made those into separate compound sentences. A kitten is small and has 4 legs. It, the pronoun again, it has, can't even read. It has a long tail and fur. See, we're just fitting these details, these descriptive details from our mind map into the paragraph. This really wasn't super hard yet, right? No. Let's keep going. We got to do number 3 now, right? A kitten. Remember, each one, just for organization, just for you. Later, we don't have to do this. But for now, Just keep it simple, keep it easy. A kitten is cute and playful, right? A kitten is cute and playful. It is also what? Young and soft. We have used all 10 of the descriptive words in our mind map in our paragraph. Are we done? Kind of, not really. We have to give something more, right? A descriptive paragraph should have something at the end, right? I would call it a conclusion, but you don't have to. You can say something else, right? But I wrote an opinion. Yeah. So let's look at my opinion about kittens. I like kittens, and I wish I could have one, which is true. Sometimes it's easy just to say what we think or what we feel as the final sentence. I wish I could have a kitten, but my apartment won't let me. That's why I have a hamster. They don't know I have a hamster. Don't tell them I have a hamster. No, seriously. But I just added in a simple ending. I said, I like kittens, right? I like kittens and I wish I could have one. We're good. We should make compound sentences. So just do that. Make it something like that. A longer sentence. Now, is our paragraph finished? Pretty much, yeah. We're done. Was that difficult? Not really. For me, when I was doing this, the hardest part about it was choosing a topic. And yeah, that's it. Then it was just describe the stuff in the mind map. Writing the actual paragraph was the easiest part because all the hard work was done. I knew my topic, I knew the stuff I had to put in, and then I just put it in. The writing was super easy. When I was younger, writing in school was always difficult because we didn't have choices. But now it seems like a lot of teachers want you to have a choice and create your own thing, give you your own topics. You could choose so much, which makes writing so much more fun and so much more interesting. I hated it when they would say, you have to write about a bottle or something. They would give you the topic and you just, what? The mind map helps with topics that we don't want to write about or that we don't know about. So we can look up stuff and say, oh, here's a fact, here's a thing, here's a thing. And we fill it out so that when we go to write our essay, we can just take all that stuff and toss it in after we organize it. Okay, I hope that this helps you write your first descriptive essay. Not essay, why do I keep saying essay? Paragraph. I hope this helps you write your first paragraph. Now, if you need more help or you're interested in having more detailed paragraphs or more difficult topics, let me know. That way I can write another video, make another video and teach you more complex stuff. This is just a simple one. Remember, this is just a simple one to show you how to do this. If you want, we can do more. Let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye.